Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alex from Prodboard Australia Woodworking Software Solutions, and now I would like to have a bit of presentation what is online kitchen designer in Aussie way. We've got demo account. It's located on designyourkitchen.online, so everybody can go and try. So you can design everything, you can place an order to have a look how the system works, because as soon as you place an order you will have email notification with attached reports and so on, so on, so on. But anyway, let's have a look how the system works. So this is online 3D system of design. Basically we design kitchens, robes and so on, so on. There is no restriction for kind of the product we can use the system for. So let's go and have a look on some of our options. Let's put our room in a bit of the size. Okay, so our room, let's say we will have a room 5,000 millimeters deep, and width should be 4,460. So let's have a look on our library. We've got pretty large library here, and if you're a cabinet maker, you know that you should to follow some special rules to design let's say your kitchen. So we need to remember that we've got the walls, we need to put against walls, we need to put wall scribes, and let's do like that. So on left hand side I'll have a fridge recess, on the right hand side I'll have my tool cupboards with wall scribes here. So it depends how you want to start that. Basically we can start it with a wall scribe hitting the wall. You got a part of the library with the wall scribes, so you can select one of the wall scribes, but basically you can specify your size up to millimeter, so you can change the size. Now we drag and drop the wall scribe, and after we start dragging a couple of cabinets, I'll do a quick drag and drop. I'll show you how to change your cabinets so you can have a look on this thing after. So we will go to the pantries and we'll have, let's say, a couple of two-door cabinets, 1, 2, let's say. And after we want to put apply panel, so we got part with apply panel and wall scribe, so we will put apply panel here. So this is a more or less proper way to design a kitchen, and we need to have a look after what we're gonna do with the ceiling scribe. So coming back, we will go to the base cupboards and we'll get some drawer banks, and we will put a couple of drawer banks. So if you want to change a size, you can click on a cabinet and you can change definitely size of the cabinet, width wise, height wise, and depth wise. So in particular this way, so we don't know what is the distance here in the corner, what we got as a leftover. We can jump in a geometry display mode and you can see everything here. So you can see all your figures. So you've got 1760 in between wall and our cupboard. So we'll go to the base cupboard as well. We'll go back and we'll go to the corner cupboards and we'll drag and drop one cabinet. So now we know that there is an opening 860, and we will go back and we'll drag and drop another cabinet, and we'll select this cabinet and we'll put a new size, let's say 860. If you want, you can, of course, you can spread 60 mm between three of them to have them equal, so that it will be 820, 820, 820. There is possible option you can copy and paste the cabinets. Let's say we haven't got these cabinets, so we got only this one. We press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and this will put for us another cabinet. You can see now it's sitting in intersection, and we basically will have a look what we got here. Okay, so this is one cabinet, another cabinet, and Ctrl V again, So we'll have one more cabinet. You are really free to drag all your cabinets as you like. Okay, and so you've got now the full line of cabinets. So let's say we will put another cupboard here, and we will go to appliance cabinets, and we will choose one of our um, oven cupboard, and let's say if you want we can do another microwave cupboard or whatever. It's up to you. You can try on your own. Okay, I'll finish off with a drawer bank, and I can see I've got a pretty much space here. Let's say I want to go with another another one base cupboard, let's say single door. When I'll click on a cabinet, I can change, that can be left to right, orientation of the handle, and I've got a pretty much distance for the fridge recess. So as well, we need to go and drag and drop one apply panel for the library. Okay, and after we got pretty much space for fridge, so we can go and pull out one fridge, drag and drop fridges, and let's say choose one of existing from the library. So when we will select the fridge to make that seating beautifully, so we can put that 100 mil of the wall, and now it looks much more better. So in the overhead cabinets we got window cabinets. Last cupboard, this is a cabinet, it's a fridge overhead, so it's a bit of high as a standard cabinet in the library, so we can change the height to 450, so that can be, let's say, 1020 wide, and the depths of this, let's leave this 600. We've got allowance for the cabinet. Okay, and we got this cabinet sitting on in place. So basically you can select a cabinet as well and adjust the position. So let's say put 1.9, 1.910. Okay, so and this looks pretty right. So we can check the wall scribe against this wall. So we will go in apply panels and wall scribes, and we will choose the wall scribe for the overhead. So this wall scribe should be 450 mil high, and let's say, sorry, and we'll do the height of that exactly the same as the length of that exactly the same as leftover, 20 mil. Okay, so as well, that depth of this wall scribe should be the full depth of the cabinet, and you can see now it's sitting in a position. So it's pretty simple kitchen, so we can operate with all the rest of the cabinets. The one thing I want to show you at the moment right now, so I'll go back to the color mode, a couple of features and tricks. So the first, preview. So you got this eye. If you click on that, you can see, you can open all your doors, so you can see what's sitting inside, or you can show to your customer, or whatever. So these can be done really well, so this is good selling point for your product. Another thing, so we can see on the top here, this is a price for the project or price for the product, what is design. We have a special setup, the price list and the special binding system, so that should be set up for every customer set just individually, and you'll have your own price. We can show this price or we can hide that, depends how would you like to have it. Okay, so of course the price can be affected with a bit of options or changing the options. Let's say you don't want to, this is one of possible one, but this is like a custom option. Okay, you don't want to have a job to be assembled, you supply that as a flat pack. Okay, and you don't want that to be delivered and installed. and let's say we will change some hinges in a job. Okay, and you can see price is changed, and we will change some runners, and you need to wait a bit because we are running over the server and server is doing a calculation, so you can see the price is changed. As well, we can change our doors handles and etc. So you will go and choose another door, and you will choose another color, and you will see how the price will be changed. As well, let's do like that. I will put one corner cabinet for overhead corner cabinet, and I will show you how basically what we can do with doors. So our doors, you may have a couple of colors for the project. So one of them main, another alternative decor. If you'll choose the cabinet, we can change a color, and we'll have one color for the base cabinets and another color for overheads. So let's say this tall cabinet will be in another color, and we can operate with these colors in the settings. We can easily operate. We can change this color for whole kitchen, and you can see that can be changed. So as well, for every cabinet we may have additional options. As for, let's say, oven, as for the oven cabinet, so we can tick on our cooktop, and we can change our cooktop to any fancy one. Okay, so as well, we got a lot of different cabinets. So now at the moment we go to scissor stone as a bench top. We can go and as a bench top we can change to one of the existing colors. We got heaps, we got a lot of colors in our library. Let's say we will go and choose Polytech carving, and we'll choose one of the natural oak carving. So basically you can see now the colors change for the bench tops. So we can play a bit with our project to get a proper result. Okay, as well, if you want to build your island, it's really easy, and we will go and talk about the island, building of the island, in the next video, but I'll quickly show you what we can do with that. So basically we can get our drawbank, we can select this, and we can turn it around. So, and after we'll get another drawbank or another cabinet, and we'll turn it around, and this will be, let's say, we'll put them together. Okay, and we can turn this 90 degrees, or sorry, 180 degrees. Okay, let's say you'll ask me, oh, we haven't got a sink. So there is an option, or there is a possibility to replace cabinet by cabinet. Let's say I choose this cabinet as a two-door cabinet. I can click on that. You've got this special button. We can click on that, and we can choose any of existing cabinets, and that will replace this cabinet with the same details, with the same height, depths, and widths. Okay, so, and we can switch on and off our sink if you'd like to do that. So this is our sink cabinet, and let's do 900 mil wide. So, and basically this is a starting point to design our island, but we will design island in next time, in the next video. So you can try to drag and drop a couple of cabinets. You can have a look on the system how it works. You can replace cabinets, and you can replace materials and colors, and this will be a really good starting point to start using Prodbot product Online Kitchen Designer. I wish you to have a good time using our product, and have a good day.